Howdy viewers,
Howdy viewers,
welcome to Howdy A8.
yeah, welcome to our new episode. And it's a little different. We forgot to film an intro for our Montreal trip, so it's now been
3 weeks?
4 weeks.
4 weeks.
4 weeks and a bit since we actually did the trip, and we're doing the intro now.
Yeah, so apologies for that, apologies for the delay.
But here it is. We hope you enjoy it, and yeah, give us a like, thumbs up, subscribe. Thanks for watching.
Cool, thanks. Enjoy the video.
Hello. Us again. We have been making some good time for 549 kilometers to go. Almost there. We're just getting into Toronto, or if you're from Canada, you say Toronto.
Or even Toronto.
Toronto.
Or Toronto.
No, you've made that up.
No, that's true. Like,
Okay, but if you want to sound not like Adam and just like somebody who's from here,
it's
think
Toronto.
of it Tronno, Toronto. Okay, so we're just hitting that. We've got some really miserable weather. I guess it's a good day to be traveling.
Now that we got that out of the way.
What? The weather talk?
No, the
Toronto. All right.
Anyway.
Sorry. Okay. Yeah, so making some good progress. We've got a little bit of traffic, nothing too serious, especially for downtown. Normally this is just gridlock. Could walk faster. So we're really right in the core now. Soon we'll be out and on our merry way. We're making some good progress. Where are we up to on the range?
790.
790.
It was 590 when we started. So we made 200 liters of petrol. No, 200 kilometers worth of petrol.
Gas.
Gas. Sorry.
Gas.
It's not gas, it's a liquid.
It's gasoline. Cool. So, yep, that's the update. We'll check in a bit later again. Okay, so not much to report on. Still on the highway. Traffic's flowing pretty easily, but since we're going to Quebec, and it is a French-speaking province within Canada, I thought we would try out and see if Adam knows what these French words mean.
To
Now,
clarify, I've got no knowledge of French.
neither of us have any knowledge of French other than bonjour, and my pronunciation is going to be laughable, I think. So I'm not insulting French people. This is not meant to insult anybody French. This is a bunch of English guys trying to decipher what French words mean. So I just got to find it. There we go. Nope, wrong one. Okay. First word. I can't even pronounce it. Caoutchouc.
What?
Couch.
How do you spell it?
Okay, you say it now.
Yeah, caoutchouc.
Definitely not right, but any idea what that means?
I can't even begin to imagine. A piece of antique furniture.
Close, but no. It's rubber. Like as in from the tree, rubber. Frappadingu. I don't know how else to.
You probably don't pronounce the U, so it might be like frappading. Frappading.
Sure.
Dang. Frappadang.
Does that help you?
Not in the slightest. Well, frappe, isn't that a kind of milkshake or like a kind of
I'll help
smoothie?
you. It's got nothing to do with food.
Okay. It's the feeling or the emotion you get when entering a busy room. It's,
You know what? I'll never forget that when I walk into a room now. I'm gonna text you and I've got a feeling of frappadingu. It is it's great for telling someone just how crazy they really are. Tofu query.
Uh, it is a type of crusty bread.
So it's a word for craziness. So the other one was telling people just how crazy they are. This is for craziness.
How many have I got right?
It was the first one. No, that was wrong.
0, I think. I think I was close with
0.
the metro and the public transport, but
Yeah, that's where it ended.
so like I've got about 0.3 out of 5 or 6.
Okay, you ready for this one? Try not to laugh. Hurlu burlu.
Oh,
That's
man.
the picture that's with it. Hurlu burlu.
Let me see. Is that a picture of Peter Sellers?
No.
I'm gonna, well, based on the picture, I'm gonna guess it's that specific kind of moustache.
It's not a moustache. It's used to describe an eccentric, scatterbrained person, like a crackpot or screwball.
Okay, well, I guess the picture makes sense.
Hurlu burlu.
Okay, I'm gonna do my best not to laugh.
Me neither. All right, here we go. Tohu bohu. Tohu bohu.
Tohu bohu.
Bohu.
To- Tohu bohu.
Yeah.
It is a somewhat rundown area of the city.
Okay. So it's a loan word taken from the Hebrew tohu wa bohu, which appears in the original text of the Bible in the book of
a
Genesis. It refers to the formless state of the universe before God created life, water, animals, and people.
Oh, okay, I was close again.
So, yeah, I mean, run down, sure. That,
It's
tohu bohu.
well, quick update. Nothing to report, really.
No, nothing. It's getting hard to stay awake.
George opened the window just now and a fly flew into my ear. Like literally in the hole. It was.
It's a crusty fly.
Yeah.
Wow.
It was a surprise.
So 394 kilometers to go, just under 4 hours. Trying not to yawn on camera. It's really difficult. Maybe I'll open the window again.
I can't believe it. A fly flew into my ear.
Seriously, are we there yet? How are we going to do the Arctic trip? We can't leave at 5 o'clock in the morning. That's too early because we're going to be knackered the whole day.
Yeah.
But we're going to be doing this trip. So this trip, 12 hours. Oh, excuse me, am I keeping you up? This trip, in terms of round trip time,
Yeah,
is
12
12 hours.
of driving.
And with the Arctic trip, we're looking at anywhere between
Was it
8
10?
and 12. With some, 8 and 12 a day for 9 days.
That was just to get there, wasn't it?
It was just to get there. 9 days just to get there, 8 to 12 hours driving per day. The plan is to go from the southernmost tip of Ontario to the Arctic Ocean, being the northernmost,
Stopping off at the
most western.
most western point.
Yep.
Yeah.
So the border between Canada and Alaska.
Was that Beaver?
Eagle?
Beaver.
Something? Eagle?
There was a few.
Eagle Point? Eagle... I don't know. When we plan it out properly, we'll know. Right now, because of COVID, that road is actually closed. I don't know if you've seen on Google Maps, but the road to the border is closed. Not just the border is closed, but the road shows closed on Google Maps. That road only goes to the border, nothing else. Don't know if you really needed to know all that, but hey, there it is.
Interesting thing to note there. Like, that road goes out of Dawson City.
Yep.
And one of the things we're going to do in Dawson City is, what's it called?
The Sourdough cocktail.
Yes. Where it's a shot of...
You can choose.
Was it any alcohol? Yeah.
No,
like,
it's generally a rum or a tequila, I think.
or whiskey?
Or it could be whiskey.
Yeah.
I don't know.
But it's got...
It's a spirit.
Yeah. It's got a severed toe in it. Like an actual
Petrified toe.
real... Petrified. Preserved, or like...
This is not petrified. It's a preserved... Yeah.
Yeah, but it is a real toe of a human being that was once alive. It's not...
So, looking forward to that. It dawned on us last week. We were hanging out, and it turned out that we have kind of spoken about the timing for the trip. And that day you guys were at our place was the day that we plan to return next year. So we now have less than 1 year to go.
Yeah.
And we need to stop planning.
Yeah. Okay, quick updates. As you can see, we had a driver change. We just went through Kingston. And we've got 217 Ks to go, so about 2 hours. We have traveled the length of Lake Ontario. That's behind us now.
You don't realize how big it is until you look and you're still not past it.
So it took us, what, 3 hours to do
End to end.
end to end of Lake Ontario.
The place we're going to in Montreal for lunch, I guess I can tell you now, is a little deli called Schwartz's. Apparently, it's synonymous with Montreal. Everybody that's heard that we're going to Montreal, years ago as well, I heard if you ever go to Montreal, you've got to go to this place, and you've got to go to Schwartz's Deli. So that's the place we've decided to go. And we'll see what's on the menu there, and definitely looking to get some Quebec Poutine, because apparently that's where you're supposed to have it. And yeah, we'll let you know what it's like when we get there. Alright, do we want to sign off now and then do the jokes in a little while, or do you want to just go into the jokes?
Are we keeping this bit of the video?
No. This part, Adam, when you're watching this, should be edited out, and then start it again when we decide to do the next thing.
If this is still in, you know, we ran out of
Things to say.
Yeah. Okay. So, I got some jokes. You have to keep a straight face.
Okay, wait. Oh,
You ready?
okay, go.
I'm reading a book about anti-gravity. It's impossible to put down. Nothing? Okay. Surely not everyone was kung fu fighting.
And I know that one as well.
A man got hit by a rental car. He said it hurts.
That is quite lame.
I know. I didn't think I'd get a laugh from that. A couple of cows are smoking a joint and playing cards. That's right. The stakes were pretty high. Did you know that your pupils are the last parts of your body to stop working after you die? They dilate. I like this one. Apparently nobody in Djibouti likes the Flintstones, but people in Abu Dhabi do. Come on. What happens when
You can't laugh before you start telling the joke.
What happens when you slap Dwayne Johnson's butt?
Whose butt?
Dwayne Johnson. You hit rock bottom.
Okay, that was a good one.
A Buddhist walks up to a hot dog stand and says, "Make me one with everything." Really? What does a perverted frog say? Rub it. I told my wife she drew her eyebrows too high. She seemed surprised. I was addicted to the hokey pokey, but then I turned myself around.
Misfire's back.